Hello, hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Here in this video we are going to see the complete process for AWS certification with the 100% sponsored voucher. Okay, there is a dedicated steps you need to follow, and these entire steps is available in the Nomi blog. Okay, there is a Nomi channel community from Ultimatics you can find, and you can search directly. I mean, most of the associates are asking you questions like, how can I find? I'm not able to find. Just enter this particular ID like 854720, and don't hit enter. It will show like below. It will get your suggestions with the heading voucher registration, voucher process, AWS voucher process. Okay, or else search with AWS voucher, don't hit enter, and it will get suggestions, AWS voucher registration process, like that. After that, hit enter. I mean, don't hit enter, like select the below suggested things. There it will show the complete process. In that, if you wanted to know the high level overview, like what is the brief of this particular process, you need to enroll first, and then you need to create like a account, and you need to complete the learning, and you need to pass the internal assessment, and then voucher will get to your mail, and you need to book the external certification exam, and you need to update that in the iEvolve. Okay, and now coming to the brief, like briefly how from scratch I am going to explain. If you don't have any idea like how to proceed, and what are the portals I need to follow, and what are the accounts I need to create, nothing, I mean, don't worry, I am going to guide you entire step from scratch. So coming to the video, like I mean, in a year, there is no particular, there is a particular duration, but they don't disclose particular duration. But as of now, it is going. AWS Certification Carnival 2024 is happening. First of all, this process includes enrollment. Okay, you need to submit certain form. I said no. In the know me only, they will send a continuous updates regarding that particular thing. Once you submit the form, further updates you will receive to your particular email id, organization email id. Keep checking that. Don't worry about the process. In the upcoming emails after registration, you will get a complete guide as well as the process, but I'm here to explain that before you are going to face only. Okay, first of all, you need to go to that Nomi blog, I mean Nomi community from Ultimatics, and search for the AWS voucher, and go to the suggested vlogs, and in that particular vlogs there is a certain 6 to 7 8 steps. Choose that particular blog, and there is a certain form in that particular blog. In the step 1, click on that, and submit the form whatever you are willing to appear for the assessment. Okay, let's say if you are already acquired associate level certification, if you want to acquire below level certificate, it won't accept. Okay, above level certifications only it will accept. Let's say if you already cleared the AWS cloud practitioner, if you want to register for that, it won't allow. Why? Because it is already cleared for your particular email account, and it will says your account is already being cleared with the cloud practitioner certificate. It will suggest you take the another uh, certificate. Based upon your learning and your criteria, choose the particular certificate you want to choose. If you are very new to the cloud, I suggest the AWS cloud practitioner was the beginner one. CLF C02 was the certificate code, and the certificate name was AWS associate, cloud practitioner certificate. If it is level 2, based upon your role, go to the solution architect, or else a developer also there, and DevOps also there. Choose accordingly, but start with AWS cloud practitioner initially. Then you will receive a email to like clear the internal assessment. The internal assessment will include 40 questions. Earlier it was 30 questions. Now they changed a pattern. Trainaquote.com was the like a vendor who conducts the assessment, and there is no like external webcam for that internal assessment. But for external exam there is a webcam, and proctorer also will be there. And for internal exam there will be 40 questions. You need to get 90% and above. 90% in the sense you need to get more than 36 marks, 36 or 36 and above. Okay, then only it will consider as pass marks. Earlier it was 30 questions and pass percentage was 70 percentage. You need to get 23 and above marks. Okay, now they changed, so keep learning and keep practicing the mock assessments from the Udemy. Okay, and you need to clear the internal assessment, and within 1 to 2 weeks, more than within mostly 10 days, you will get a voucher. Okay, and before, like in this process, like after clearing the internal assessment and getting the voucher process, you need to do some steps. Like you need to create a one AWS APN account, Amazon partner portal account, okay, partner network account. That account should be created by using the organization email ID. They don't allow by creating by using the personal account, personal Gmail. Okay, and you need to create a APN account. They will share a steps through to create a APN portal also, and in the Nomi blog also you can find those steps. You don't need to be worried. And there is a learning guides also from official Amazon Learn. You can get a what is the complete process for getting the learning completion, and you can go through that and complete the learning. And there is a dedicated Udemy courses also there based upon the certificate you are selecting. Search that particular certificate in the Udemy, you will get a dedicated courses based upon your interest. Choose particular course and start from scratch. Okay, and learn the complete resources, and what are all the level of questions will ask in the certificate. Go through those completely. And once you get the voucher, it will receive to your email ID, organization email ID only. And there is a certain expiry date for that also. If you don't use in that particular 1 month or 2 months, mostly 15 days to 1 month, and they will keep on reminding, sending a reminder mails to use that particular voucher. So make that useful. And you need to book the external certification exam. Okay, I said no. Once you go to the APN partner portal account, it will land it to your APN Amazon account. Then you will see a learn option. In that get certificate option will be there. Click on that certificate option. It will takes you to the another tab where it will goes to your profile, where entirely certificates will be tagged. Okay, go to that particular certificates tab and click on a schedule exam. Okay, there you need to select the exam schedule, exam what you wanted to appear. And you need to choose the particular terms and conditions you need to agree. And there is an option to book in person as well as the outside, physical also. Okay, there is a dedicated test centers. If you wanted to appear means you can appear that also, or else you can appear in person, like online only. And then it will ask to choose the timeline, in which time it will you wanted to appear for the exam, and select the date and time. And if it is CLF C02 cloud practitioner certificate exam, it will be 90 minutes, and including the extra time and all, 120 minutes will be the complete 130 minutes, 120 or 130 minutes. Okay, and if it is solution architect exam, it will be more than 2 hours. Why? Because it is somewhat time needing, needing exam. And The number of questions is differs, but mostly it will be like around 60 to 65, like that. Okay, 50 to 65. And once you select the date and time while booking the assessment, then it will ask you to enter the voucher code if you have. Otherwise you need to pay the amount by using credit card or a debit card. And if you have, in our process we have a company sponsored voucher. Just copy that voucher code and use in the voucher code tab. Okay, and click on proceed checkout. It will shows, earlier it will shows 100 USD including GST. It will be 115 or 120 something US dollars. Exam cost would be that. And once you enter the voucher code, it will shows 0. Why? Because your voucher is 100% sponsored. Okay, and click on checkout. It will schedules your assessment. If you wanted to reschedule or cancel your assessment before 24 to 48 hours, mostly 48 hours. Okay, before 48 hours only, 2 days only, you can change or you can cancel the assessment. If you wanted to change after that, there will be some cancellation fees as well as the exam rescheduling fees will be there. Okay, so if you wanted to avoid the plan accordingly and prepared accordingly and go with the complete process. Okay, and this is the complete process of getting certifications. And once you getting updates from that particular community, AWS certification community, then you will get to know what are the upcoming events, or you can get to know like what is the complete process, and you are in the stage to explain the complete process with your colleagues or friends who are planning to do the certifications. Okay, and I think so this information is very much helpful for you, and stay tuned for more updates. Thank you so much for watching the video.